Hello, YouTubers! We are doing root words, starting out with week 1, brought to you by Daniels Incorporated here. What is a root word? They are little small chunks of words inside larger words. And what they do is they have common meanings. So if you were to come across a long word you've never seen before, you would see that root word inside it and know that the word has to do with water or people or whatever that root word meant. And we are going to learn 5 root words for this first week, and I would love to teach them to you right now. Let's get started. Number 1, arrow. A-E-R-O is the same meaning as air. A couple vocabulary words there. Aerospace would be the Earth's atmosphere and the space beyond it. The astronauts flew out into aerospace. Aeronautics is the science or art of flight. If you've seen the movie Top Gun, they are Navy fighter pilots. They are masters of aeronautics because they know how to fly airplanes very well. Some people might say Michael Jordan would be a master of aeronautics, flying into the sky with his amazing dunks. This guy's a master of aeronautics as he flies across the screen. And would you please get off there? Seriously, I don't need you there. That was kind of fun. Moving on, number 2, biblio. Biblio means book. Anytime you hear the word biblio, you are referring to something dealing with a book, such as a bibliophile, a person who loves or collects books. I bet your school librarian, whoever he or she is, might be a bibliophile. Bibliography would be a list of readings on a particular subject. Typically, you have to make one of those after a research report where you have to cite all your sources. And guess what? A lot of those sources come from, guess what? Books. Yes. There's a bibliophile right there. Look at that cute little boy. He's got all his books around there. And he is loving to read. Number 3, bio. Bio means life. Bio means life, such as biodegradable, capable of being absorbed by the environment. Mr. Daniels has a recycle bin in his room, and you're going to hopefully put biodegradable paper into that to be absorbed there. Another word, biopsy, study of a piece of tissue from a living body. You ever gone to the doctor when you have a sore throat and they do a little swab of cotton down the back of your throat and you have to go, you're gagging on that? That's a biopsy. They take the tissue from your throat to test it to see if you have strep. And there is a little recycle guy. He's jumping up and down because he's happy that he's recycling right now. So fun. All right, number 4, chron. Chron means time. Chron means time. So I got a couple words for you here. Chronic, continuing over a long period of time. Right now, the Kansas City Chiefs have a chronic winning streak. They've won like 5 games in a row. They're amazing right now. It's over a long period of time. It's awesome. Synchronize, to occur at the same time. You might have to synchronize your watch with your best friend if you're going to meet them at a certain place at a certain time. And all these watches, look at these. All these watches are synchronized. They're all going at the same pace there. That is absolutely crazy. How is that happening? I don't even know. Moving on. The last one is number 5, aqua. Aqua means water. That's one you probably already knew. Aqualung is an underwater breathing apparatus, otherwise known as scuba gear. So you can say like the scuba diver used an aqualung to dive to the bottom of the ocean. Another word would be an aquarium, a water-filled enclosure in which living fish or other aquatic animals and plants are kept. If you go to the Bass Pro Shops, they have a large aquarium with lots of fish and fun aquatic life inside there. There's an aqualung, scuba gear, and man, I would love to see that with all these amazing fish. Is that a shark right there? Hope he's not going to eat the little fish. Well, hey, you are officially done with the first week of roots. That was pretty painless, right? Less than 5 minutes, and got a quick test for you here on Edpuzzle to see if you know your roots. We're going to test you on that right now. But in the meantime, have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching on YouTube. God bless.